Hey, welcome back. Oh, I know. Look, another beautiful. Another day of beauty for a beauty guru. Ah. Okay, so what we're doing today, we're going to put on a wig. We're going to be Wonder Woman. I can't wait. So look at my magnificent set back here. I went to Walmart and this was here, so I chose that. And then this summer, this summer, the Wonder Woman makeup collection came out from Revlon. Can you believe, look at this bag. Oh, are you kidding me? Look at this little, how great this is. Oh, I love it. I have a problem with makeup bags. I do. And I blame Ipsy because they make the cutest bags ever. They're just adorable bags. And I got hooked on makeup bags because of them. So now I have, I don't know, 13 or 14 really cute makeup bags. And I think what I'll do is do a haul on them and show you all my Ipsies from the last year. But anyway, no. So today what we're going to do is be Wonder Woman. I have my costume right over there. I have my wig. I have not tried the wig on yet. I put my hair under one of these fashizzles. The cone heads. I also, look, I fixed my eyelashes today. So poor old Harley Quinn didn't get eyelashes yesterday. Wouldn't she look so pretty with these on? Well, anyways, so yeah, so let's get going, okay? Let's see how fast we can do this. And I'm not gonna like rush, but we don't need to be spending, 30 minutes and stuff. We don't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use something that might be kind of sticky, hopefully, but isn't really colored. So I'm putting a, what do you call this stuff? Foundation, yeah. I'm putting some foundation. This star, I'm using the silver one so that I don't use up my red one, because really we're gonna put a red one in the middle. Okay, so let's put this here. And then I have some Fenty gold crystals, but these I got in another beauty box, another surprise beauty box. It's called Beauty Creations, and it's really fun. It was a good box. Okay, so I'm doing it really simple, putting it in my hand, and then I'm just gonna come on. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Just hang on, y'all. Just don't lose faith in mama. Don't lose faith. I've gotcha. This, maybe we've never done this before, and so maybe we're gonna have to try it a few times. So the effect we're going for is we're gonna use makeup glitter for that shiny thing on our head, because I don't happen to have my Wonder Woman golden crown just laying around. So yeah, this is what I have. I have some glitter, and of course I have stars and all of that. So I'm just pushing it into the fountain. That's fine. There's no problem there, because I'm gonna switch that. I just needed it as a placeholder so that I could put this glitter around the star. So there we go. Okay, we're just, yep, that's what we're doing. Pressing it in, pressing. Okay. All right. Ha! That's kind of cool. Okay, the next thing, let's try putting on a red star. Also, look at this lip. This comes from the Wonder Woman makeup collection that Revlon did this summer. And, there wasn't a big to-do about it. I just happened to be watching, I can't remember which YouTuber I would tell you. Allie Dawson? I love Allie. I love smaller YouTubers because, you know, they don't get up. Well, Allie's getting bigger now. Good. And I'm really glad. She deserves it. But, you know, they don't get all of the merch and the PR, free PRs. I mean, small channels like me, I mean, we have to like pay for all that stuff all by ourselves. And it's very, very, very expensive. And, you know, I mean, being a YouTuber, there's a whole lot you have to put into it. I mean, my husband and I decided this was going to be our next business, was a YouTube channel. And he kind of let me sort of do most of the content, do all the content, really, because this was kind of the big, you know, where the money is. Show me the money. And so, yeah, we basically put most of our money into investing into this. And, you know, had to get all the equipment and everything and buy things for the content. Anyway, who cares? Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the makeup stuff. The one thing that I think is so awesome is this is called the Revlon Vinyl Eyeliner. And it goes on so smooth. So watch this. We are going to make our golden headband right here. And just right to there. Yeah, I tried to use my eyebrows as kind of a guide. So I tried to take my eyebrow and go there. Oh Lord, more or less follow my eyebrow up and over. Let's see if we can do a little bit better job of this. Clean this up just a little bit. That's a great thing. It's only makeup, so we just start over. Okay, let's go. And we do this and connect it. Oh my gosh! I almost look like Batman, dude. Seriously. Oh, this is fun, you guys. I had so much I had so much fun yesterday doing the Harley Quinn one, the Harley Quinn look. So much fun. I was really excited to do, well, I wasn't sure what to do today, and then I remembered my Wonder Woman makeup that I've never used. Okay. So I've got that, I've got the hair, I've got that. What I'm gonna do is I wanna make her pretty. I mean, you know what we're working with here. So I'm gonna use my Tristique stuff. I have really dry skin, and so I really like to use cream face products. I really, really do. So we want Wonder Woman to look kind of healthy, you know. We want her to have like a little, you know, little healthy glow. Plus, in the Wonder Woman collection, it didn't come with a blush. I think it did have an eyeshadow palette, but by the time I heard about this, you couldn't get it. Okay, so she's got a little healthy glow, okay. You could not get that, so I think that's a bunch of crap. Let's give Wonder Woman some little bit better eyebrows. Okay, if I have to draw them on, in black, I will. But I would rather not, but I guess I will. I'm just using the same eyeliner. So, you know, we want this kind of a little bit of a look here. You guys are gonna be like, oh my God, her eyebrows, they're killing me. But there we go. Okay. If we have to take those off later, we will. It's fine. It's only makeup. Okay, so we have that. Now let's take off the lips and put on some bright red. Oh, hello. Hello. You don't need to see you don't need to see all my secrets I have on the ceiling and going on behind the scenes. Okay. So they have these lip glosses, and this is really, really good. I should not have done my eyebrows. They do not look good. We are going to remove those. We're definitely going to remove the eyebrows. They look really stupid, and they're not gonna make this Wonder Woman very pretty. So, yeah. Okay. Take that off. Okay. Now look at these beautiful, oh, these are so pretty. I'm gonna take that stupid eyebrow off. It looks horrible. I so want to tell you the story of when one of my kids did something with his eyebrow, but I won't. I'm not gonna do that. I really am trying to respect their privacy and their autonomy and everything, and so I'm not going to tell all their little kid stories, but they were just so adorable. Oh, see, that's better. Oh, okay. Well, maybe we just do a little wax on, wax off here. A little half on, a little half off, Miyagi sort of thing. Okay. Yeah, see, this is called a tutorial. So this is like, watch me and remember so that you don't mess all this up. Okay. Okay, that's much better. Yes, way better. Oh, we salvaged that. Okay, we have these two awesome crayons. This one's gold, and the one I love is this green, but I put it on my eyes earlier, and my eyes are so sunken in, it doesn't look good. So what I did is I went ahead and got these other two colors. This one's purple, but I'm not gonna use it either. I can't pull off darker eye looks. So I'm going to tap on some of this gold, some of this, what are you? Revlon color, caramel. And put you in there. I should be, I should do better. I should be, using a palette, doing a crease color, but we're not really wanting all that today. We're wanting to see Wonder Woman, and I'm going to show you how easy, it won't take you long, and you can do it at home. You just need some red lipstick, some glitter, whatever color eyeshadow you like, whatever works. The crotch out of your pantyhose, put it on your head. I think we might be ready. Okay, let me get the wig. Hang on, let me get the wig. Here it is, okay. Okay, here's the wig. All right. Let's see. How do I put this on? Oh, Lord. Come on. Okay. Let me do this. Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. Oh! Hey! Oh, I'm Wonder Woman. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. How much that just like, boom. I'm Gal Gadot. Hi. I'm Gal Gadot. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Did you see how easy that was? Okay, now I have like one more thing. I have a cape and I have her golden lasso. Okay, so here's her cape. It's very, very neat. I got it at Walmart too. I think it cost $10. Okay, where are the strings? How are we doing for time? Oh, good, we're at 16 minutes. So that's perfect. That's great. That's way better. Okay, look. Oh my gosh, I get to be Wonder Woman. She looks okay. Is she pretty? Okay.